In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this Xiaomi. You need to begin by opening Tab menu. Now look for lock orientation icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now see-through. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by clicking on lock orientation again. If you want to, you can also access settings. Scroll down just a bit and click on display. Then scroll down again and tap on this switcher next to auto rotate screen to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!